I didn't feel like I was at super high risk, but it was still all pretty like, you know, don't know what's going on. So being here every day is always a little bit, you know, questionable with all people coming in and out from everywhere.
I'm not someone who's probably at risk of actually, you know, getting too sick from it, but it's more for me about transmitting it, and if I can get the vaccine and stop transmitting it. And my wife is, she's got a kidney transplant, so she's immunocompromised, so yeah, I definitely want to lessen any risks I can.
Did a bit of research, not that there's a lot of information available, it's pretty minimal, but just, yeah, basically just wanted to see how other people went. But I know a few people that have had it now and they've had no problem, so that was a big part of my decision to go ahead.
I've got a son, he's 7, so he gets asthma, and I guess he's always been a little more of a concern for me. I've never really been my concern, but you know, I always kind of worry just if I do for some reason contract something, you know, it's more him that's my concern.
It wasn't a tricky decision for me. I always get my vaccines and my flu jabs and all that sort of stuff, so why not? I listen to the government's advice. If it gets approved by the government, then I'm pretty happy that it's a good thing to do.
My opinion is way more benefits are going to come from getting it done than, you know, not getting it done out of fear. So
vaccine's the vaccine. It's there to help, so I'm going to take it, and it's free. So yeah.